Since I've had CowManager installed, I can say that I haven't had any DAs, and I think that's purely where CowManager is picking up sort of sick cows a lot more quicker than myself. My name's Max Turner, a family-run business farm from Somerset. Currently milking 400 dairy Holstein Friesians. They're averaging about 9,800. Calving all year round. Currently got 390 CowManager sensors. Their daily average, 34 litres per cow. There's myself, my dad, my grampy on the business. I sort of oversee the cows. Dad does the arable side. We do a little bit of contracting as well. We've currently got roughly 800 to 900 acres. Before I was running CowManager, we were just using conventional across all the herd. And now we are picking top 25% for sexed. I'm serving only my first and second lactating cows with sexed. Third and above is getting Belgian blue and rearing them on to sort of 3 to 4 weeks old and then selling them to market. I try to only serve if protein is 3% and above, just so that I know the cow's got the right energy levels and they're more likely to hold better. I use the CowManager app for my non-seen bullers, so I only pull out anything if I haven't seen a heat within 50 days. I do let CowManager do its thing, where we used to be pulling out cows for bulling when we see them on heat, but with CowManager it sort of picks its peak heat. It's very accurate and I don't have to check any bulling cows. I use the CowManager app for the no heat after calving list when I do my weekly routine visits with the vet. If they are up to 50 days in milk and I haven't seen a heat, that's when I pull them out and they get treated by the vet and get synchronised if they're all quiet or no visible heats. If I do get any suspicious heats, maybe I'll get some cows sort of 90 days pregnant or above. I'm quite confident with CowManager that they are picking them up. Maybe some might have absorbed it or some have aborted, so I'll always pull them out on my weekly routine visits. With the health module, I utilise that the most sort of when the cows come from a transition diet onto the cow ration, the milking ration. That's when I tend to find a few sick alerts appear, and I find it's crucial to jump on that straight away, and I tend to drench everything flags up just to get it quickly to reduce any sort of ketotic cows. Any drop in rumination, I look on the graphs. If that's tailing down, that is sort of when I act upon them and give them a drench. I think it has helped sort of any sort of dirty cows or metritis. If any cows have sort of come up on the sick alert, acting quicker, I think that's sort of helped. So obviously the health module records the temperature of the cow as well. And if you look on the graphs, it gives you sort of your herd group average and the cow average. And if the cow's sort of ear temperature is reducing, that sort of means she's got a temperature in herself. So we chose CowManager obviously 2 years ago. We did go and look at quite a few different other systems. CowManager stood out to us because it didn't really have a lifetime to the tag. It didn't have a battery life. It was sort of all cloud-based and there's new software and updates ongoing as we speak. I find the tag very easy to install. You can de-link and link them on your phone. You just quickly put the cow in the crush and tag her. The beauty of CowManager is you've effectively got sort of 24/7 eyes on the cows. I haven't got to have someone up here watching the cows all the time. It's sort of saved a bit in labour costs. It's user friendly. All of the staff got the app on their phone, so when they first get here in the morning, they look on the sick alerts and bulling alerts. Backup and service from CowManager has been very good. If any troubles, you give the helpline a call and you get in contact with them straight away, and they're very helpful. I really recommend CowManager to anyone that I've bumped into. It's very easy to use, it's improved massively, and it's a great aid in managing our cows on the farm.